Want to create an AI version of yourself for free that boosts your marketing and saves you hours on photo shoots? In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to make your own AI clone image, plus a cartoon version, and even sneak in the express method for video avatars. So if you want to upgrade your branding, create scroll-stopping content, or just have some fun, don't miss this. Hey, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who want higher, more consistent revenue using repeatable AI systems. I've helped hundreds of business owners level up their content and automate their visibility. And today I'm walking you through 2 quick zero-cost ways to get your own AI image clone and a couple of surprise bonuses. Here's what's coming up. First, I'll show you exactly how to create a realistic AI image of yourself using Artflow. Then I'll teach you the easy way to get a cartoon version with ChatGPT. And if you stick around, I'll demo how to level up your AI image into a video avatar, all with free tools. Okay, let's talk about the problem. Most entrepreneurs want fresh images for their websites, social media, or launches. But setting up a professional photo shoot is expensive, time-consuming, and sometimes you just want something fun or viral. Enter AI image clones. Step 1. Collect your source images. First, gather 5 to 10 clear, filter-free photos of just you. Make sure you're facing the camera, no hats, no sunglasses. Headshots or selfies in natural light work great. Step 2, choose your AI tool and create your clone. If you want realistic photos, go to Artflow.ai and upload your images using their free credits. Name your character like Brittany AI. Choose your gender and age, and don't worry if the first draft looks off. When creating images, use prompts like realistic portrait of your name with hair color, body size, your age, smiling in an office. Adjust details like body type or setting so it actually looks like you. Don't aim for perfect. Close enough is gold, especially for posts focused on grabbing attention. Step 3, go cartoon with ChatGPT. Want something playful? Upload your photo and prompt ChatGPT with image capabilities to turn this into a Disney-style cartoon of a woman with describe your features at a standing desk with a podcast mic. ChatGPT's cartoons work great for Instagram stories, reels, or YouTube thumb stoppers. Step 4, go viral or go pro. Use the realistic images as fresh headshots or get bold by prompting outrageous scenes like you riding a unicorn to maximize engagement and traffic. If you run a more serious biz, stick with professional office scenes. Just adjust your prompt accordingly. Step 5, bring your clone to life. Want to turn these images into AI-powered videos? Try uploading your Artflow or cartoon image to HeyGen or Hedra and test out their free credits. You can record an audio script and the AI makes your clone talk on camera. Perfect for explainer reels, intros, or even podcast snippets. And hey, if this is useful so far, hit like and subscribe so you never miss an AI shortcut that'll save you time and make you money. Bonus tip, for even more automation, give these tasks to your VA using the Artflow templates and prompt cheat sheets so you get batches of custom images without lifting a finger. And remember, close enough images outperform pixel-perfect ones 9 times out of 10 on social because the eye-catching, quirky versions get more engagement and comments, even on the funny mistakes. To recap, here's what you learned today. How to create a realistic AI image clone with just a few clicks and free tools. The fastest way to get a cartoon version using ChatGPT. How to turn your AI clone into a talking avatar video, and pro tricks to maximize engagement with both fun and professional images. Want my exact moneymaker GPT and all the free tools from this video? Click the link in the description to grab it for free and start building your own AI dream team today. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.